call me?
I called you a crazy psycho bitch.
And I hollered for David!
David! Oh my gosh. You know what she's making me do here? She's making me log into her account so that I can deposit and add to her paper checking account the 1 penny that she made in interest, because
you better make sure I made it.
Okay. Oh my goodness gracious. 01, and then what's the password?
10.
Well, don't be saying it out loud.
Yeah, the part that comes first.
Man. Okay, save. Email me. What a pain this is, Mother.
I know it is.
Seriously? You have to do this every time you get a frickin' penny?
Every month.
Why don't you do it once a year and go in there and add 12 cents? Huh? Why wouldn't you do that?
I want to be able to pick up my book and
down to the penny, because pennies are important.
When you're as old as I am, yes, pennies are important. You want to be accurate.
Oh, I gotta enter this code, sorry.
You want to be accurate, don't you?
Oh, yeah,
Aren't you glad I'm accurate?
Oh, yeah. And even though I tell it to register my device, it won't register my device. I'm not interested. Don't show me that again. Okay, and so now we're going to look at your basic savings account. That we're not going to say how much is in there. No transactions within this date range. You haven't got nothing.
Okay, go back to my checking part.
Okay, which one is your checking? Oregon State Credit Union? Is that where we are?
Yeah.
Oh, but it's different. It's different by a penny.
That's why you have to go in there and click on it.
Well, I see it here, but...
Yeah, you have to go in and click on it and see when they added my penny.
Oh, well, they put it in there, not in your... You get it on your checking account?
I guess because it has more money in it.
Oh, there it is.
See?
I thought they were going to put it into the same. Oh, my gosh. Can you believe this? Okay. So now, when was that put in? 12/31. Oh, gosh, we're late. Oh!
I told you the other day we had to go back.
Go back and update the bank account. Make sure the paper matches what the actual bank is. Have you ever had a time when the error was not your accounting error?
With that bank?
Yes.
I don't think so.
Interesting.
I have at another bank.
How long ago?
A long time ago.
Was it when they were still doing things without computers? Huh? Just curious. Was it that long ago? It was. You guys know it was. You know it was.
When was that?
It has to be at least 30 Mom. At least 30 years.
When these computers come in.
Well, okay, maybe not 30 years ago. I got into them 30 years ago. But Common probably 20 years ago, 25 years ago. 2000, early 2000s. Since you've lived in Canada, okay, well, let me update it. I gotta put that penny in there. Make sure it's in the right column.
We want to be accurate, don't we?
Absolutely, we want to be accurate. So there you go.
Look at that.
Oh, pending, yeah. That's your forced transfer.
Mm-hmm.
So do I have to wait? I have to come back, I guess, in another day or two to see if that pending deposit is.
And then you have to go to the bank, this bank.
Why?
And deposit a check from that account to this account.
Oh, okay. I have to write checks?
They don't do it electronically. I already asked that. Long yeah. Not only that.
No, I understand that because it's an American account and going to a Canadian account. I understand that why they wouldn't want to do that electronically.
Right. They don't trust Canada.
Does anybody?
I don't know.
Not with that prick in charge.
Watch your language, young
Sorry.
lady.
So do we need to go into this account at all?
Yes. There's new money in there.
There is, okay. Okay. Let's do it.
I'm going to go tell David on you.
Why? What, that I called you a crazy psychotic bitch? Careful there.
I wonder if he'll come in and rescue me.
You're going to run right over your toe.
Okay, it's only a toe. I don't need it.
Alrighty then. I guess that's it for now.